Here. Be careful, there's all kind of shit down in here. Some box springs.
Really showed trees too.
Maybe they'll catch one. Damn, they up under an old car or something over here, look.
You know the sad part, man, you gotta get out of here.
Huh? Damn, they up under all that old junk stuff. That bird dog caught now.